Hey guys, we received this Under Armour sunglasses for test and try. As you can see, comes in a nice box and there is a eye design kit. Have a cleaning solution, microfiber cloth, and a screwdriver. Now the box really nice, very attractive box. And then there is a sunglasses, the protective or cleaning cloth, Under Armour logo. So let's open the sunglass. So lightweight. The shiny surface on the top, on the side it's all plastic, and looks really nice, like with this Under Armour logo. Everything is mentioned here, and then the logos are on the side. See, the logos looks really nice on the side, so both sides have the logo, and then the glasses itself is a shiny, so they're good for the sun shine, so fits really well on the sides and really nice, look good.